Let's talk about CSS overrides. To get started, I have my browser window open with the Chrome Inspector active so I can show what happens. Now, switching over to the code editor, I'm going to add the link to the secondary style sheet, and I want to add some emphasis over here on order. Notice I wrote the secondary style sheet after the initial style sheet. CSS is applied in the order it is received. This first CSS link is read and the styles will be applied. Then the second CSS link is read and applied. Any matching class names in the secondary style sheet will override any matching CSS property declarations that are currently in the first style sheet. So what this means is that the order of the source file matters. So if you want to get your intended results using CSS overrides at the declaration level, you always must have that CSS file sourced last. Now, heading back to the browser, let's see what happens after saving and applying this secondary style sheet. On the right side, you can see with the Chrome Inspector, we have two sets of styles being applied to this box. The first set of styles comes from the secondary style sheet. Below that is the second set of styles coming from the initial style sheet. If you notice that the width and background color are crossed out, that is to indicate that they have been overridden at the declaration level. The other styles that aren't crossed out, they are being carried over and applied to this box that's on the left side. And that is where the advantage of CSS overrides come into play. The styles that you may want to use, you can keep, and the styles you wish to override, you could do so at the declaration level through a secondary style sheet. Now, CSS overrides at the declaration level is just one option to add to your developer tool belt and a potential solution for a scenario like this that you may be facing in the real world. Thanks for watching and happy coding.